The neighborhood kids think I know go, but they don't know. Girls at school think you's a fool, but they don't know.
What's poppin' YouTube?
It's boy to
go AP.
Oh. Because I've been doing it lately, basically.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl AP.
Boy turns far.
And we're back at it again. What's poppin'? We got
Aporro brand. They've sent us some gifts. Oh, they sent me some gifts.
Tony some gifts.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a review and a little girlfriend rates my jewelry. Creating a challenge here. So it came in this cute little bag. I don't know if you guys can see it. It actually did come in a box, but we've already unboxed it and put it in this bag so it looks nice and cute for you guys to see. It's just a little plain black bag with the Aporro. How do you say? Aporro logo, which is like an A with an arrow through it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty cool.
So it's own compartments. So I want to open up this first.
Tony hasn't seen the jewelry yet, so I've unboxed it and put it all in there nicely. So this is going to be his actual response to the jewelry.
It's got a little bag. This is pretty much just showing you how to keep it clean. And
it's got their socials.
Anyways guys, time for them for a bit.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Just with their socials on the back. So that's what the box looks like. Cool logo in the middle.
Ho 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 ho. Yeah.
That's came through dripping, drip drip. Came through dripping, drip drip. Okay. Feeling yourself. Goes with the earrings.
Yeah.
Very cute. I like. How's it feel? Comfortable?
It's good, yeah.
Heavy?
Medium.
Yeah.
Not too heavy.
Itchy?
No, not itchy. Feels good.
Like that?
Feels good. I'm gonna leave it on.
Alright. Next
Ho 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 ho. I like this one. This one's better.
Very closer.
Yeah. So as you can see, the back's got detail.
Show the front.
The front. Pretty cool.
Look at that. Look. There we go. Woohoo!
What's happening, man? What's up?
Hey, it's icy. Yeah, that's dope. Alright.
Cool.
Final piece, babe.
Oh, this is my favorite one.
Is it?
Yeah. It's my favorite one.
I'm gonna steal it.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Like all those rappers. Migos. What's up, Quavo?
Show?
What's up, Offset?
Okay, you got it. What up, 6ix9ine?
6ix9ine, where you at? Waiting for you to come out of prison, boy.
So cute. Let me see it again. Give me a little smile. Cheek.
I don't smile, guys. Look at my detail on the back.
Very nice. How does it feel?
It's so good.
Is it heavier than the smiley face?
Yeah, it is. It's this.
Alright, you want to rate them? So this chain here, what would you give that out of 10?
I'm gonna rate them first, then she's gonna rate them. So the first one, I'm gonna rate this out of 10. I'm gonna rate it 8.
Where would you wear that? Is that like an everyday?
This I would wear. Not everyday thing. I'll wear it with
like going out or whatever.
Like smart casual, not full classy, but like smart casual.
Yeah, yeah.
This one I would wear to like I'll wear like if I'm going airport or something.
Airport?
No, not airport. If I'm going
smart casual.
like if I'm going to like a restaurant or something to eat.
Oh yeah.
I would wear that, you know. The smiley one I would wear
clubbing?
Topless. I wear topless.
Shut up.
What?
Maybe I need to see it topless.
I think you after the video. I'll wear this topless or you know at the park or something. Or just yeah, really see it.
Like more casual, yeah.
Going shopping or something, like movies, something like the movies or something. So that one's 9. I like this one better than this one. Just because the smiley is so creative. Now last but not least, guys really know, it's obvious that this is my favourite one, so I want to give it a 10. I really like it. You know, gold and red, it's good. Like a nice dress shirt, black one, you know, buttons down. Oh, no.
A button up but open.
Yeah, a button up, but you know, open up 3 buttons, so the tats, show the bling, show the bling. But yeah,
Yo.
It's my favorite. I'll give this one a 10. 10 and a half. I really like this one. It's my favorite one. It's ages to rate it.
But when I rate it, I want you to wear no shirt. I need to see shirtless.
No.
Yeah. Spicy. Yeah, I need to see it shirtless. Okay.
Yeah. Looks better, yeah? That's what I mean when I said I wear it topless. Yeah.
The first one, I'm gonna give it like a 7.
7?
Yeah, I like it, but like the only thing that I don't like about it is how it keeps sitting out. Like I want the diamonds to sit forward.
Oh yeah.
This one's my favorite. I'm gonna give that a 10.
You use 10?
I'm gonna give that a 10. I just like how it sits on you. I like the pendant. I like the size. I like the chain. It's just casual, you know. The tennis chain. It sits nicely on you.
Right in the middle of the chest.
Right in the middle of the chest.
Like that.
I like the red. I do like the red. It suits you. I'm gonna give it a 10 as well.
Yeah,
I like
10?
them, yeah. Both of them 10. They both sit nice. Same chain. Nice size. Nice pendant size. The color's dope. I like the patterns around the side and the back. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna give 9.5 because I like this one a lot.
You give this a 9.5?
9.5 and the other one a 10.
Well, you can give it 9.5. Don't give it 9.5. Give it 10. Because I reckon these girls can
I
pull
could
this
wear
off
that
too.
too, yeah. You can just wear that casual. I
reckon these two, you can wear it together, and I reckon it's unisex as well.
Yeah,
it is unisex,
definitely.
you know?
I even reckon this one here you could wear like for a girl double chain, like my Asian necklace, the gold plated plus a double chain, or you could wear like praying hands or a cross or something. It would look dope.
Alright guys, there you have it. I just want to give a shout out to Aporro brands for the bling. You know, keep me looking fresh. I don't have to go to the shops and buy some.
I see.
You know.
And looking like a snack.
Aporro brand, shout out to you.
We'll put the link to them in our bio as well as the link to the
Check them out, go on the website, have a sus.
They even do custom shit as well. So if you want to do like a custom pendant or a custom chain or custom whatever, they do that. Alright, we'll put all the links in the bio so you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Shout out to Aporro once again. You already know what it is. It's your girl AP.
So far.
Until next time.
Peace.
Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip drip.